single mother of four and currently working on my debt-free journey. I am so excited to share this journey with you. Thank you for watching this video. It means a lot and it will help my channel as well. So today I'm bringing you another monthly budget. We're gonna do our December budget. So first of all, I want to wish you a happy Thanksgiving to you all. I hope you guys have a great holiday. As for me, we're gonna be having turkey here at home. We're not going anywhere. So I'm in charge of the turkey. I believe my sister's gonna be doing mashed potato, and I'm not sure, but I think she might be doing macaroni and cheese, and then we're gonna be having asparagus wrapped in bacon, and I'm not sure what else. But yes, for sure, I will be doing the turkey this year, which I'm so excited for. I'm gonna actually prepare it tonight. So we like to marinate our turkey a night before, because the way we do it's my friend's recipe. So she told us that if you do it a night before, the turkey gets a lot juicier and more tender. So and it does, it does. We've been doing this turkey this way for like 5 years, ever since our friend taught us that recipe. Actually, I stole it from her. She never wanted to give me the recipe, but um she thinks I never paid attention to how she cooked it every time she did, and I did. So I did it last year and it came out really good. So we're really hoping to have the same results this year. So how do you guys prepare your turkey? I'm gonna give you the recipe that I use. So we put our turkey in a big pot to where it's gonna be covered with what we put on. So so we put it in a big pot, and then we pour 2 beers, the big ones. We call it 240s. So we choose Corona, and it has to be the black one. So we dump 2 Coronas there. We squeeze orange, like big bags of oranges. So we squeeze 1 or 2, and then if it's not enough, if it's not covered enough, like completely, we will pour orange, the orange, the sour orange that it's to cook. And but we slice a lot of onions too. So we slice a lot of onions, and we let it sit all night. And then the next day, when it's already gonna go into the oven, we just season it with salt, pepper, and all these other spices, cumin. Honestly, we use different spices every year, so we just throw in there like a lot of spices. And we put a lot of butter everywhere. So we poke the turkey, and I found it best if I was to mix all of the spices with the butter, and then just like rub it all over. And then when I poke it, I just stuff the holes with butter and the spices, and then on the inside, all over the inside as well. And we don't stuff the turkey because it is true. My friend says that if you stuff the turkey, you will the turkey will get dry, and it does get dry. So we are not gonna stuff our turkey once again this year. I don't want to take any chances. So yeah. So how do you guys do your turkey? You should, let me know. I want to know how you guys do it. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this page and then we'll continue. All right, guys. So this is how my page looks like for December. So just in case you guys want to see these in Spanish, I'm also doing them in Spanish, but I started a new channel for the Spanish ones. If you know of anyone that is interested in this kind of videos, my other channel account is called Cada Centavo Cuenta. And I recently started. There's only like 2-3 videos. So if you guys know of anyone that is interested in watching these in Spanish, please refer them to my channel. I will be so grateful. So let's start. So my rent, like always. Okay, so rent is due on the 1st to the 5th, but I'm just gonna put the 1st, and it is 1,000. And then I have my phone, which is due on the 6th. And this one is around 261. And car insurance is due on the 8th, which is 127. And then we have internet, which is due on the 17th. Yes, on the 17th, 55. And then we have dentist, and my appointment is on the 11th. My total balance that I owe here is like 180, but I give payments, so I am not gonna give the whole eight. I'm gonna try to give the whole 80 throughout the month, but we'll see. St. Jude. This one they withdraw the money around the 13th, and it's $19. And then we have the gym. And they started withdrawing earlier and earlier each time, so I'm gonna put the 8th, and it's 30. And then we have our condina, which is each check. So and it's 400. And then I have Chase. So this is the one that is on top of my snowball. So I'm just gonna estimate the snowball amount. The payment is 35, but I'm sure that I'm gonna end up putting around 155, because again it's my snowball card and it's on the top. So last month I ended up putting 155, so I'm sure it's gonna be 155. And then we have Walmart, also due on the 22nd, $40. And then we have Costco, and the 6 with around 100, and then I have shop your way, doing the 13, same amount every month, 120. Best Buy with the 23rd, 100. Capital One is due on the 20, 50, and then we have food for the whole month. So I'm estimating around 600, and then gasoline for the month, 160, and I'm gonna include my cash envelope, which I don't think I'm gonna have one this 2 months. So let's see. $3,597. That's how much I'm gonna need for the month of December. And this is without counting Christmas gifts and all of that, which I have that already covered with my Condina money. So just briefly, I received $1,000 from my Condina, and I used some of that money to cover this balance, because for my check number 2 for November, I went over $248 to cover these expenses. And so I use the Condina money to cover that, and then the rest is being used to cover Christmas presents, Christmas food, and all that other stuff. So I don't know if I should make a video budget of my Condina, how I spend it. I've been thinking about it. I don't know. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Again, just remember, this is a single mother of 4 with only one income. Again, thank you for watching, and until then, I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.